Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about a powerful tool that can help you take your e-commerce business to the next level, ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a powerful software that allows you to create high-converting sales funnels for your e-commerce business. It's a great way to promote and sell physical products, and in this video, we're going to show you how to do it step by step. Link in the description box to get a free ClickFunnels account. First things first, you'll need to sign up for a ClickFunnels account. It's easy to do, and they offer a 14-day free trial, so you can test it out before you commit to a monthly plan. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to create a new funnel. There are several different types of funnels you can choose from, but for this video, we're going to be using the e-commerce funnel. The first step in the funnel is creating a landing page. This is where potential customers will land when they click on your ad or link. It's important to make sure your landing page is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and contains all the necessary information about your product. Next, you'll need to add your product to the funnel. ClickFunnels makes it easy to do this by allowing you to connect your e-commerce platform, such as Shopify or BigCommerce, to your funnel. This will automatically pull in all of your product information, including images and pricing. After you've added your product, you'll need to create an order form. This is where customers will enter their shipping and billing information, and complete their purchase. ClickFunnels makes it easy to customize your order form to match the look and feel of your brand. Once a customer has completed their purchase, they'll be directed to a thank you page. This is where you can thank them for their purchase, provide them with a download link or a tracking number, and give them the option to upsell or cross-sell other products. Now that your funnel is set up, it's time to start promoting it. ClickFunnels makes it easy to do this by allowing you to share your funnel link on social media, email, or through paid advertising. You can also use the built-in analytics to track your funnel's performance and make adjustments as needed. One of the best things about ClickFunnels is the built-in analytics. You can track your funnel's performance, see how many people are visiting each page, and even see which pages are causing people to drop off. This information is vital when it comes to making adjustments to improve your conversion rate. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to use ClickFunnels to promote and sell physical products through an e-commerce funnel. Remember, the key to success with ClickFunnels is to make sure your landing page is visually appealing, your product information is accurate, and your order form is easy to use. And don't forget to track your funnel's performance and make adjustments as needed. If you haven't tried ClickFunnels yet, I highly recommend you give it a shot. It's a powerful tool that can help you take your e-commerce business to the next level. And if you want more tips and tricks on how to use ClickFunnels, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.